Hello everyone, this is Sandy Reese with Stampin' Crew. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks so much for joining me for another live video tutorial today. As soon as I started, I could hear the practice tornado sirens going off in the background. That's just throwing me off today. All right, so I hope everyone had a happy 4th of July. We spent a long weekend in Florida with John's family, and a bunch of the girls came, and Danny, our granddaughter, came, and we had so much fun. Lots of pool time, visiting. We played games. It was a lot of fun. So I hope everybody else had fun too. Okay, so lots of things happening today. Before we get started, we have our not dollar days, but bonus days going on now until the end of July. So for every $50 you spend, you get a $5 coupon to spend in August. So you don't want to miss out on that. We have some new online exclusive items, we have several of them are holiday themed, but we also have a floral bundle and lots of other things. We had a clearance rack refresh, so there's some fun holiday items on there as well. And if you subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, we have a 2-day Paper Pumpkin sale on past kits and refills. So make sure to check that out if you have a past kit that you really loved, and you can check and see if that's on there for sale. All right, so I think that's everything. It's clearance rack, online exclusives. We have a new kit, it's like a slim line card, so that's really cute. Paper Pumpkin sale and bonus days. So I think that's all the specials going on this month. A lot happening. That's a lot to keep track of. I'm having a hard time remembering it all. Okay, so if you remember last week, we focused on the super cool stamp set, and I loved it so much, and I just kept making more and more cards. So we're gonna do another week with the super cool stamp set. So I would encourage you to get this one. It's fun, it's versatile, and it's just super cool. All right, so today's card, we are going to use the little jelly roll and the word love. I'm trying to use all the stamps, which I think I've used everything that we're going to use except for maybe the word super. I don't know. And then I also used the Stylish Shapes dies, and I used a square, but I used the middle square. So there's 5 squares on here, and I used 1, 2, 3, 4. I used the middle one. So let's get started. This is a very quick card. It's very similar to the one I did last Thursday, with kind of a color blocking Andy Warhol type look, but I'm using a 5 by 5 card. So I cut my thick white cardstock 5 by 10. We're gonna have it open at the bottom, and every once in a while it's just fun to do a different size card. Then I have a piece of basic black, and this is 4 1/4 by 4 1/4. And then I've cut some shapes using that middle square die. So I have used Highland Heather, Balmy Blue, Lemon Lolly, and Bubble Bath. All right, and then I have a little 1/2-inch strip that's the width of my square, and that's for our sentiment. So let's grab these, and I want to kind of line them up because I want them all stamped the same. All right, so we're going to use a darker color for each one. So we're going to start with Melon Mambo, and I'm using my jelly roll stamp, and I'm just kind of lining it up where that bottom point goes up and down. So you can kind of see right here where it goes from this bottom point and up through the strawberries to the top. So that's the line I want to do. And I'm going to stamp that in the middle of each one of these so that I get it placed on my cardstock about the same. All right, now we do have to clean. We're changing colors. I might have had too much ink on that one, but that's okay. We're going to cleaner stamp in between. I'm going to use Wild Wheat on our Lemon Lolly. This is one of our new in colors. Okay. And we're going to use Night of Navy on the Balmy Blue. And let's get that one on there. This is a very quick, easy card to do. Now you can also do this using just Memento Black, but I just really am partial to the colors. Okay, let's do Gorgeous Grape on our Highland Heather. All right, and then I'm going to do our Sentiment. I'm going to do this. That came out a little bit, I think I got too much ink on that one, so I'm going to do my Sentiment on the bubble gum. I'm going to use Melon Mambo with the word love. Let's put it on the black so we can see a little bit better. One that's centered. Let's see how that looks. That looks good, but I think my, you know what? I think my Melon Mambo pad's just really juicy. I probably re-inked it. Okay, we'll go with that. All right, now it's just time to assemble. So let's see, I'm going to do, let's see how this looks. Do I like it like that, or do I like it like this? I think we'll go the other route. I don't know why. We'll just try that. Okay, so we're gonna put these on lightly in case we need to adjust. I'm trying to get all my borders even and fairly straight. Can't see what I'm doing here. Okay. Once we're sure everything looks good, we can give it a good press and get it sealed down permanently. All right, that all looks fairly good until I touched it. Okay, good press. Okay, let's put this on our card front. Get this centered. And we're going to pop this up with a couple dimensionals. 1, 2. We cover up that blobby part from our heavily inked Melon Mambo pad, and let's grab our Glossy Dots assortment. My mess of a Glossy Dot assortment, and let's do, of course, the melon, the pink ones, if they are. I don't know what color these are, but that's what we're going to use. We're going to do a large. We'll do a medium, and we'll grab this small one. See if we can get it off. There we go. I'm gonna, I think we can fit that one down there. And that's it. Isn't that cute? And you could use any color combination that you want on here. I went with the, with these. But any colors, any color of the cards and inks that you have, you can do that. All right. I hope everybody enjoyed this project. Let me check. Oh. Hi, Gail. Hi, Kathy. Got a few watching. I will put measurements and supplies on my blog. And make sure to check back on Saturday. I've got another fun card and then another one on Monday. So I will see you all then. Thank you. Bye-bye.